Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy F14, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for your device. So on the third place in my top is O Launcher. So just install this launcher from the Play Store, and now I'll tell you why I love this launcher, because here you can set up your favorite apps. And as you can see, it looks really minimalistic. And here you have the main menu with really great apps searching feature. So for example, I want to find the YouTube, so I just search in Y, O, and YouTube is opens. So as you can see, it's really fast. So if you need to have a really simple design without any features, you have no even icons here. So I think this is the most minimalistic launcher ever. So for example, you can enable great feature daily new wallpapers, for example, and this feature will be change your wallpapers every day. I have today's wallpapers here, for example, and it looks really great. I really love this feature on this launcher. Okay, on the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Why I love this launcher? I'm using this launcher when I am spending my time with my family, when I have free time, because it's really beautiful launcher with grouping feature. So here I have games, here I have media. For example, when I'm using all launcher, I don't need media or games, and I don't want to this icon announce me. So I want to use when I'm at home, I want to use all my apps and with great beautiful groups. So I have here settings, utilities, media, games, internet and contacts, and I think it's really great feature. And of course, the best launcher for me is Microsoft launcher. As you can see, now I have my Microsoft launcher. Why I love this launcher? Firstly, because here you have the Glance panel. In Glance, you can set up your widgets in the way you want. And as you can see, you can set up your favorite widgets here. You have news here, MSN news. You can disable it. You can change it to the another news provider. You have normal Google search here, so you have no here Bing or something else. Of course, you can change it to the Bing, but you can use normal Google launcher, Google search if you are living if you live in Europe. So Bing is not work good here. So if you are live in Europe, you need to use Google. And okay, so here we have main menu. Why I love Microsoft Launcher's main menu? Because here I can hide any application I don't need in the main menu. For example, I don't need launcher settings in the main menu. I don't need game launcher in the main menu, and I don't need contacts app in my menu. Why? If I have the phone application, and that's it. Then click done, and great. And of course, here you have 2 lines of favorite apps. And if you need to boost your productivity when you are at university, for example, or at the school, you can set up shortcuts. You can set up apps or settings or any other feature to open by gest. You can set up really many gests in the settings. So we have, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different gestures to use. And for example, I have set up that when I want to open the Play Store, I just swipe in with 2 fingers from down to up, and in this way, as you can see, Play Store is enabled, is opened, and it's really easy to use, and it's a really cool feature. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.